The terminal block is a connector that is used to join two wires together. It makes it easier to replace other components in the tool due to the ease of disconnecting the wires. The terminal block can be melted or damaged by a short circuit in the tool. The screws can be damaged while tightening or loosening the screws. Replacing the terminal block is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing one half of the handle. Now I have access to the terminal block. To remove it, I'll pull it away from the housing. Note the location of the wires and go ahead and disconnect them. Now I can install the new terminal block. First, I'll twist the ends of each of the wires. That'll make it easier to insert the wires into the block. I'll make sure the screws on the new terminal block are open. I'll start with the shorter wires from the cord. And now the wires that go to the switch and motor. As I install these wires, I just want to make sure that I'm installing the same color wire through the terminal block. So in this case, black to black. And white to white. Then I'll just reconnect the terminal block to the housing and tuck the wires back in. And I'll finish by reinstalling the handle. And that's all it takes to replace the terminal block in your power tool. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.